Have you ever noticed how some people just seem to glow? They look fresh and happy, like they've just come back from a lovely walk. This is the magic of barely there makeup, a trend that's all about looking like yourself, just a bit more polished. It's not about hiding who you are, but letting your unique beauty shine through. In a world full of noise, this quiet beauty is a welcome change. Barely there makeup whispers, "Hello, this is me," in a calm, confident voice. It's perfect for every day, work, coffee with a friend, or a stroll in the garden. The idea is simple. Less is more. Like a pinch of salt in soup, it enhances what's already there. It makes your eyes brighter, your skin smoother, your lips rosier, a celebration of your natural face. This approach frees you from perfection, encouraging you to feel like your best self, effortlessly. Let's explore how to achieve this fresh, radiant look with a simple routine that makes you smile. What is natural glam? It's you, but shinier, like waking up from the best sleep of your life. Natural glam is about enhancing your features in a subtle way, not changing them. Think of it as a dusting of icing sugar on a cake, just enough to highlight what's already wonderful. It's about looking healthy, happy, and full of life. The glam comes from a radiant glow, not glitter or heavy sparkle. It's a sheen, like a polished pebble, giving you a boost of confidence for everyday life. This look is approachable and friendly, making you look put together without feeling overdone. Natural glam celebrates real skin, real features, and real beauty. It works for everyone, at any age, because it's based on the most beautiful thing of all, you. The goal is to look polished and radiant, but still completely yourself. It's the beauty of a sunny day, captured in a simple, happy routine. For this fresh-faced look, you only need a few essentials. Start with a tinted moisturizer, or BB cream. Just enough coverage to even your skin, but light enough to let it show through. Add a cream blush for a natural, healthy flush that melts into your skin. Use a clear brow gel to gently shape and tidy your brows. No heavy lines needed. Finish with a tinted lip balm for soft, hydrated lips and a hint of color. These 4 simple products are all you need for a radiant, natural look. No complicated steps, just a quick routine that makes you feel wonderful. Less really is more. Let's put it all together in a quick 5-minute routine. Start with a clean, moisturized face. Happy skin is the best base. Apply a small amount of tinted moisturizer, blending with your fingers for a seamless finish. Dab cream blush onto the apples of your cheeks and blend upwards for a natural flush. Brush your brows with clear gel to lift and define them. Swipe on tinted lip balm for a healthy sheen. That's it. 4 simple steps to a fresh, radiant look. No fuss, no stress, just a routine that fits into any morning. You'll look awake, polished, and ready for anything. Enjoy the extra time for yourself. You're ready to face the day. Take inspiration from nature for your barely there look. Add a touch of highlighter or shimmery eyeshadow to the high points of your face for a dewy glow. When applying blush, tap a little onto the bridge of your nose for a sun-kissed effect. For eyes, skip heavy liner. Try tight lining with a soft brown pencil at the roots of your lashes for subtle definition. Remember, the beauty of this look is its imperfection. Don't fuss over every detail. A slightly messy brow or uneven blush just adds character. Think of it like a handmade pot. Its quirks make it unique. Keep your routine quick and simple. Enjoy the process. It should be a peaceful moment, not a chore. Let your natural features shine. Embrace the little details that make you, you. Nature's beauty is effortless. Yours can be too. Barely there makeup is more than a look. It's a way to care for yourself. Taking a few minutes each morning is a small act of self-kindness. It's not about vanity, but self-respect, and starting your day with intention. The confidence you gain is quiet and steady, because you know you're showing your real self. Compliments feel personal, and you learn to trust your natural beauty. This style is freeing, no worries about smudging or fading. You can live fully, laugh, and enjoy the moment without makeup stress. It's about feeling authentic and presenting your true self to the world. In a world that asks us to be something else, this is a powerful statement. When you feel good in your own skin, you radiate positive energy. That's a glow that truly comes from within. Barely There, makeup is a celebration of your unique story. Every feature is a chapter. Makeup should highlight, not erase. Use it as a tool for self-expression, not perfection. This look teaches us to appreciate what's already there and see a friend in the mirror. Let your freckles shine. Embrace your smile lines. These are your signature. True radiance comes from your smile, your kindness, your passion for life. Makeup is just the icing on an already magnificent cake. Try this routine, but remember, your beauty has always been there. The Barely There look simply lets your inner light shine brighter. Go on, be your own kind of beautiful.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.